Hello, I'm Marcus from DTF Station. In this video, I'll show you how to update your motherboard firmware for the Prestige R1 printer. Start by locating the firmware. I've placed mine on the desktop. Note: the new motherboard updated file type is UPFY. Now, open your Print EXP, aka Hoson software. Select the Advanced tab. Click on Version Info. Click on Upgrade. Now select your motherboard firmware file that we located earlier. Tick this checkbox. Now click on Upgrade immediately. Click OK. Once this is complete, we can restart our printer and the Print EXP, aka Hoson software. Our upgrade has been successful. Click OK. Click Cancel to close this dialog box. Hit the Save button before closing out the software. Now restart your printer. Restart the Print EXP, aka Hoson software. Note: you may encounter a delay when updating your software or initializing your printer. Now that we've opened our software, let's wait for the parameters to load. Now the motherboard firmware has been updated. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.